So many BJP leaders are saying DK Shivkumar and Ravi Kanikar using the language is not right language, nut and bolt, tightening them, warning them. They're saying they're threatening.
Okay, we may not be right, we may not be polished. We may not be polished. They call me Bande. Bande. Rock. Am I rock? Kallu Prakruti. Kadadare Akruti. Pujisare Samskruti. So am I rock? They call in a different language. Do I look like a rock? Huh? You tell me. They call me a rock. All you also call me like a rock. Media also call me like a rock. They also tell Bande, 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 Bande. It is our language, we use it. So let me rectify it. I am not a God. If I have done anything wrong, okay, I will rectify. Nothing is there. But I am telling for the best interest of the, I am also from the chamber, from the industry. They should know that I named a theatre and the name of Indira Gandhi.
But saying
I also hold 23 screens in Bangalore.
yeah.
I have interest in this industry. They should all safeguard the industry. We have done an international film festival at Bangalore. And next year, I am aiming to do a IFA award. Already I have discussed. I had 2 rounds of meeting to do a IFA award. Already a team came and we have discussed in Bangalore. And recently when I went to Abu Dhabi, I have discussed there also. So we want to see that now the sandalwood has grown a little bit higher than Bollywood. It is reaching the standard of Hollywood. I should thank some of the few for cinemas which has come up. So I want them to carry and take it forward for the next legacy. That is my intention.
But to say teach them a lesson, we will teach them a lesson.
Let they also do whatever they